The fastest sword draw I've ever seen. But to the protagonist, it's like slow motion. Dodging it is easy, but he pretends to be surprised. The elf thinks he's weak and praises him. It's time for his match against the undefeated legend, Goth. Goth avoids strong opponents, but he's fooled by the protagonist's disguise. Seeing an easy win, Goth attacks swiftly. The protagonist dodges perfectly at the last second. Goth is left vulnerable, but the protagonist calmly draws his sword. Goth feels insulted and unleashes his full power. He summons a golden dragon, shocking the audience. The protagonist wins unexpectedly, leaving everyone confused. And jokes it was the dragon's glare that caused it. Others think it was just luck. The next day, he defeats another opponent with a sneeze. Spectators wonder if he'll win the championship, and apologizes for underestimating him and gives advice. He just smiles, knowing it's all part of his plan.